Hey everyone, so this is to look at the Dominican Summer League for the rookie ball, and talk about the scores update, and then talk about the playoff standings for AAA, AA, high, and single. So let's go do it. So we have the Padres of Gold just won the Dominican Summer League. They won the Dominican Summer League finals, the championship, with a 12-5 win over the Athletics team. So rookie ball is done for the season. Now we have high A and single A with 7 games left of the year for every team in the International League, or in high, single A and high A. So let's do single A. So Fresno with 7 games to go, or 8 actually. 8 with tonight's game. Okay, so 8 games left. No, I said 7. 7 after today. 8. So we have. So it looks like it's going to be in the California League North. Looks like it's going to be Fresno and San Francisco. Fresno from the Colorado Rockies affiliate team, and San Jose, the San Francisco Giants affiliate team. They're going to be out of the California League North. And then Inland Empire, the Los Angeles Angels affiliate team, they're going to be taking on the Rancho the Los Angeles Dodgers affiliate team. So they in the California League playoffs, they'll be in the Inland Empire, Rancho Cucamonga, in Fresno and San Jose. We'll be battling out in the playoffs. In the league's championships, in the division championships for the California League, in the Carolina League. So a little bit closer, we have a little bit different. We have Fredericksburg and Carolina battling out in the Carolina League North. They haven't played those two teams did not play they have 55 games. They had 3 canceled games. And then Fayetteville actually had played all 58 so far in the second half. So Myrtle Beach clinched the second half with 9 to go. So it'll be Myrtle Beach and Columbia playing in the Carolina League South. In the single A playoffs for the Carolina League South. Looks like it's gonna be Fredericksburg and Carolina battling out. But Fayetteville winning could, make things interesting with the winning percentage. And then the Florida State League, St. Lucie, they clinched the Florida. So Daytona is 4 ahead with 8 to go, and then Clearwater is 3 back in the Bradenton is 3 back in the win call, and then they're 5 back in the loss, so they're 4 games back. So we'll see. Clearwater should have it win though, so it looks like it's going to be St. Lucie and Daytona against. But Daytona and Clearwater do battle each other out this playoff. So, but should be Daytona and Clearwater, Lakeland against Clearwater, and St. Lucie against Daytona, anyways. But maybe Palm Beach could sneak in there, maybe, and maybe Bradenton could sneak in against Clearwater, maybe. I would think Clearwater has more of a chance, but Palm Beach might be able to sneak in there in the Midwest League. We have. Lake County has a half-game lead over Great Lakes, so Lake County can still not afford to lose games. So that's gonna be tough though. Beloit though has a 2-game lead over South Bend for the second half playoff standings. So we'll see how that goes. But it's gonna be tough though. So in the Midwest League West, and then in the Midwest League East, it's still gonna be tough to decide. You can't decide yet in Northwest League. Eugene has a 9-game lead on Everett or Vancouver. So Eugene and Everett will battle each other up for the Northwest League Championship game. Northwest League Championship Series Best of 5. And then the South Atlantic League, the divisions. We have Greensboro with a 4-game lead. Greensboro's been really dominant in High A. And then Hub City has a 2-game lead over Greenville. So it looks like it's going to be Greensboro against Brooklyn. And right now, Hub City against Bowling Green. But it could be Greenville against Bowling Green as well. It's going to be Hub City or Greenville. In the Texas League AA, we have Springfield again, so far battling out against. It's going to be Tulsa or Wichita. Wichita is 2 games. Wichita has been won 4 games straight in that series against Arkansas. So we'll see how that goes. I could see them playing. Tulsa could play Springfield, because we Wichita against Springfield. And then in the Texas League South, Amarillo has an 8-game lead over Frisco, so it's going to be Amarillo against Midland in the Texas League South. And the Southern League they have 15. They have 15 games. So, but it's still most likely going to be Amarillo against Midland, though. Tulsa, Wichita, Northwest Arkansas. They're still all in at 15 to go. In the Southern League, Birmingham has a 10-game lead in the win column on 9.5 games actually over Chattanooga. So and then 10.5 on Knoxville. So yeah, so it's gonna be Birmingham most likely in Chattanooga. Then Montgomery, Columbus, and Pensacola have a 3-game disadvantage over Montgomery. So that's tough though in that one. And then Somerset has a 1.5 lead on Hartford, 2.5 on Portland. And then Altoona and Harrisburg is a game back of Altoona, so that's tough. Gonna be tough in that one. And then the Pacific Coast League will be the second. It's gonna be, looks like, with 22 games or 20. No, it's 14 for double A. Then 20 for triple A. So 20 games still. Every team still, a lot of teams are still in it. Tacoma, Sacramento, El Paso, Round Rock, Oklahoma City. So there's a good bit in there. And then in the International League, Scranton Wilkes-Barre has a 5-game lead over Syracuse. So, and a 6 over Toledo, 7 over Indianapolis. So right now, Scranton Wilkes-Barre looks like they're in control, but you never know though.